All right, we're gonna go through and explain our three pieces, and then we're going to do a run of, you know, kind of how it would work. So, Steve.
Yep. So once this is all built in our prototype, how it would actually work is the rooftop unit, as you can see, is set up with a proxy sensor right here. And this proxy sensor is going to sense when this door is closed. And what that would initially do is it would sense the door is closed, and we hope in future designs the door will close, and then this switch that's actually here.
Nope, that's switch down there.
Oh, okay, that's the switch I was asking about earlier.
Oh, that's the one that represents the key switch on the door. So you'd have an inductive
prox.
prox.
We're not actually going to turn this during your demonstration?
No.
Okay.
That would be okay, so this is kind of in the wrong order. You'd probably have the inductive prox or whatever you can use to sense the door is shut. And then you'd have the key switch in line. So when the door is shut, you turn the key switch, the door will stay locked once that's turned, and also it'll start in cleaning mode. And because, you know, we have to put these indoors because we can't really drill holes and put them external to this system.
So the key switch in future models would actually also activate these two switches. And these switches right now are actually our idealization of a wireless link. Mm-hmm. So instead of actually having the wireless or the master system turn this on wirelessly, what we had to do is compromise and build a time delay into the microprocessors. And so once the door is closed, we'll flip these switches ahead of time, and then there's a 10-second delay to represent our wireless comm link. So we have two switches in our Roomba and our stationary, so we can actually see how this is going to pull together now. If you want to try it out.
Yep. All right, let's turn off the light. So how we're going to run this, flip the switch on the Roomba and the reflector light. That one is correct. Wrong way.
Should take
that one's correct. And then we shut the door. So now our overhead light's on. Our two other systems are about to turn on. Roomba's in cleaning mode, doing its thing. And after a certain period of time, depending on what bulbs, you'll have different exposure rates. Your top sensor would go off, or your top light would go off, and it would remotely. Oops, our belt fell. Maybe I should just turn off. It would remotely switch the other units off as well. So that is our system.